How to fix Crunchyroll app loading problem, solve Crunchyroll not loading issue. If you want to solve if your Crunchyroll app is not loading, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to actually open up your Crunchyroll and check if it is loading or not. You can try to close the app completely and check your Wi-Fi or internet connection, and once you have done that, if it's working well, you can long press on the Crunchyroll app and tap the I button over there. Then from here you can simply go to the storage option, clear cache, and make sure to also clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, it will log you out of your account, so you have to make sure you remember your ID to log in the next time onwards. Then after that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Crunchyroll app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version, and once then, that should definitely help you solve the problem. This way you'll be able to solve if the Crunchyroll app is not loading. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.